Well, good morning, everybody. About a month ago, I posted a video on my, I believe it was my first bike ride of the season, and I had mentioned that I wanted to post more videos, maybe a video a week, and it's been a month, over a month. Well, I can explain that. After that video, I did have intentions of posting more rides and vlogging a little bit more. So for those of you who remember, who even watched the video, I drive a 2005 Ultra Classic, and the cam chain tensioners are notorious for wearing out, and so you got something you got to keep an eye on. And so last year when I went to Lake Placid, I had it checked. Everything was okay. Said I'm good for the trip. We'll have to look at it again. So it was always on the back of my mind. And so, long story short, I decided to get her done. And I wasn't sure if I was going to go to the Screaming Eagle, the hydraulic system, or the gears. And although the gears are more expensive, I opted for the gears to be done with it. And I'll leave some descriptions as to what gears are recommended for this bike, and I certainly don't regret it. It's got a good torque now. Well, I had a good torque before. The guy had, I bought this bike used, so the guy that had it took care of it and had Screaming Eagle cam. I can't remember exactly what cam it was in there. I still have it. I'll have a look and I'll post it and show you guys. And they're probably, I was told I can still sell that. Probably get a couple $100. So if you guys are interested, let me know. And yeah, so it didn't take long to fix the bike. Turned 50 this year, so like old Harleys, you need preventative maintenance. So I had some preventative maintenance scheduled that let's say had a little bit of complications. So I had to go back to Emerge the following day of that surgery, and spend all day at the hospital to be told to spend the night, because they had to do it again in the morning. So it was like a whole week of not eating, and well, you guys get the picture. Anyway, it's all good now. So I'm on my way to work right now. It's like 5:47 in the morning. I'm gonna try and put, like I said, I'm gonna try and put videos at least once a week. Try to figure out what exactly I want this vlog to be. I mentioned in the video, the last video, that I want to get back into music, record music, so see if I can incorporate the two. I'm not sure if that's going to work or what. Heard that a lot of YouTube channels say if you stick to something, stick to something. If you start mixing and matching, you're not getting a following. I'm not looking to get rich off of YouTube, that's for sure. It's a hobby. I like videos. I like to edit videos and record music, so it's strictly a hobby. the weather's changed for the better, so get more riding out. I got holidays coming, so yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, we'll talk to you guys in a bit.